Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys, and I hope to become brave enough to do, actual regular shop with me's in Dollar Tree and eventually anywhere that I go. But to start out, I wanted to do a Dollar Tree haul that's actually pretty, well, there's a lot to me. It seems like there's a lot. Anyways, so first I'll start with these. These are, well, they're poinsettias with a sparkly red pine cone and sparkly red berries. I didn't think that they screamed too much Christmas, I guess you could say. And I thought that I could put these in a Valentine's Day arrangement because they're just sparkly and they're red, and yeah, but they were 50 cents a piece because they still had Christmas floral in the regular floral aisle. Okay, so then next, and I'll try to keep everything together. Well, there's this. I got the love one, not the peace one, but I'll try to keep everything together and, so everything goes together well. Next, I got these for my trying to do a 3-tier tray. These are, they're sparkly hearts with, they're kind of tangled, with baby's breath. And I thought that would look good on a 3-tier tray that is Valentine's Day-like. So let's get that out of the way. Next, that's all the floral I have. Next, I'll do this. I thought these would look cute on my tray. And they're the little heart lights, and I hope they work. I overheard them the other day saying, well, not the other day, this was during Christmas time. Someone tried to bring something back that didn't work. They just wanted another one, another strand of lights. And they said they wouldn't exchange anything. And so I'm like, even if it's broken, I just want one that works, So hopefully they work. And if they give me that kind of trouble, if something doesn't work, that's like, holiday-like, then I won't go to that Dollar Tree anymore. But yes, these are 10 heart lights, and they are adorable. More Valentine's Day stuff. This is going to go to my stepson. He still likes stuffed animals. He's 8, but he still likes them on his bed because he says he makes his bed comfortable. So I got him one of the little monkeys. And then for my stepdaughter, I got her a couple of things to put in her little basket type thing. I got her some donut socks because she is so big on puns, and she's like that. She loves that donut, I love you, or anything don't you know, and it's replaced with donut. So I got her the donut socks. I thought she'd like those. And she's 11, so I thought she would like something like this to put little wrappers in or something in her bedroom. So I thought that was cute. I might get one for myself. You never know. And then I got 2 of the smaller locker bins for them to put their stuff in because I didn't want the giant red baskets, but I didn't want to do a small heart-like basket. But yeah, there's just going to have some candy. I've got candy in here somewhere for them. But yeah, this is what's going to be what they're going to get on Valentine's Day from me and their dad. So I hope they like it. Next, I got these 2. I got a frog for him and then a unicorn for her. So yeah, she loves unicorns, and I thought a frog wasn't as girly for him. They had unicorns, but they were all like smeared, like they were like halfway melted. and I'm not doing that. So I got table scatter because they're gonna go in this vase. But I got table scatter to put in the vase with the flowers. And I got a pink one. And I got 2 red ones. Sorry. I thought that would look cute in the vase with the red poinsettia flowers that I got. And then I got these because me and my boyfriend, we are all about getting organized in all over the house basically. So we want to do the pantry first, and then we're gonna go to the closets and stuff like that. But these are perfect. I got one already for things like taco mix, gravy mix, chili mix, those type of little mix packets. They fit perfectly in here. Also, like those Knorr rice packs, they fit perfectly in here as well. So I got a bunch more. They are the fridge soda can storage containers. And they don't stack, unfortunately, but they also work good for soup cans. So also keep that in mind. Next is, well, more Valentine's stuff. The kids are very artistic, and I thought these would be cute for the kids to do for Valentine's Day. I don't know if you give your kids anything for Valentine's Day. When it was just me and my oldest daughter, I would always get her a little something. My boyfriend, he never really gave anything for Valentine's Day. So I thought, I'm just gonna do a little bit for them, because now that I see that the Dollar Tree has such great stuff, that for $5-6, I can throw something together to show my appreciation and love for them, and they'll love it. So, yeah. And then I got Valentine's Day cards for them. I got, for the Boo thing, I got him the Lovebird card. These are the handmade cards. He likes the outdoors, so I thought this would be cute for him. Then I got this for my stepson. And some of them you don't know what they say on the inside. Some of them can open up, but some of them you don't. And then the main goal was to get this narwhal one, because my stepdaughter is in love with narwhals. So I had to get her this one. So yeah. I wish I knew what they said on the inside. Hopefully they're not too corny. And this I got because we really like to play games that are not electronic based, I guess you could say. So anything that facilitates family time, my stepson just loves it. So this is gonna go in his little basket. I guess you could call it a basket. It's not really a basket, but then I think the rest that I have is for my 3-tier tray. So I got this. I'm gonna take the bow off, the ribbon off, because I don't really care for that, but I think this would be good. And then I got a Cherish candle, which says it's red velvet scented. Doesn't really matter what the scent is, even if it's unscented. I still like the red with the Cherish, and then the copper top. Looks very nice. Let's see here. I thought I had something else, but pardon me. This is stuff that's wrapped in paper. So then I got a pink one of these, kind of, mix up the color a bit. So I got a pink one of those that has the heart in it. And then there's red and white also at Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'm unwrapping as I'm going, which I should have done already. And then there was this. These are new. They're mercury glass. And this is a silvery gold, I guess. But yes, I don't know if that's gonna go on the tray or not, but I just could not pass this up. And then there's one more wrapped piece. And I think this is a pink one. And this is for the tray. And it is also mercury glass. But then they also had silver and gold of these. And then they had a red one, but the red was not shaped like this or the other one that I just showed you. And then the last couple of things I got are kind of random. But I got this, and these are to hold card games. So we have a couple card games. We have Phase 10, we have Uno, and we have another card game that is actually a car game. So I thought these would be perfect to keep them always together and avoid them getting damaged or wet in any way. And this is a 3-pack. And these are hard to find. I come across them, wasn't able to get them. And then when I was able to go back and get them later in the week, there was only a couple left. So these apparently go quick because teachers, and I absolutely think they should get a chance at them first, but teachers get them and they put crayons in these, things like that. So they're also good for crayons. And then I got 2 of these candle holders, as they're called candle holders, but they're mirrors. Those are for a DIY. I also wanted them, I'm gonna show the UPC because sometimes a lot of Dollar Trees do not, these go fast. They get them in, but then they go very fast. Not that they just can't keep them in. And then I got 2 of these because I ordered online instead of trying to find all the pieces at a bunch of different Dollar Trees. I decided to just order the whole set online, and for 25 pieces you get is for $15 instead of $25. So I thought that was a good deal. And these are plastic faux moss stones, and so these are going to go in the fairy garden that will be arriving soon. And that, I think, is it. I had some heart picks somewhere. It's going to go in my boyfriend's, it's going to go in his Valentines little gift that I'm giving him. So, yeah, I don't know where those are. They're probably in my trunk somewhere. But yeah, this is all. It seemed like it was a lot more than that. But anyways, that's all for now, guys. I hope you like my channel. I hope you like my content. I hope to bring some DIYs, some shop with me's, some couponing, more couponing, and more TJ, and also not more on my Instagram, but also in TJ Maxx and Marshall's videos as well. So it's going to be a couple of different types of channels combined into one. And I hope you guys like it, and I will see you soon. Bye.